Hey everyone, and welcome back to Beauty Basics. I'm Kesha, and today I'm going to talk you through some of my favourite lip hacks. Before you put any lipstick or lip gloss on your lips, you have to make sure they're ready. And I'm going to be putting on some lip scrub. Lip scrubs take away dead skin and make sure that your lips are smooth and ready for your lipstick. I apply the scrub and then I just wipe it away. And then I apply a little bit of lip balm. This first hack will make your lipstick long wearing. Just apply your lip liner all over your lips. Most lip liners are long wearing, so if you put it all over your lip, it will make any lipstick you put on last longer. And then apply your lipstick on the top. The next hack is to apply a translucent powder onto any lipstick to make it matte. For my next hack, bold lips can get pretty messy, so use a lip liner and concealer to make sure they're always neat. So I've outlined with my lip liner, I filled in with my lipstick, and now I'm going to neaten it up with my concealer. I've just done one side and you can see the difference. This also helps your lipsticks to not bleed. For the next hack, if you struggle to perfect your Cupid's bow, simply draw an X on your upper lip. Drawing that X made it super easy to define my Cupid's bow and to get a really even look. To make your matte, wintry lipsticks more summery, simply put a gloss on top of your lips. And to lighten the lips even more, just take some concealer and pop it in the middle of your lips. And voila! Upcycle your winter lipsticks. Thanks for watching my lipstick hacks. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this.